Hello, today I will show you some updates made with the Libresmartphone cases. This was the first one I used. Then I made this smaller one that had a 5-inch screen from Adafruit, a switch, and Raspberry Pi 2 and a micro Arduino and other components. And this is the one I want to use for the future. So this case is from Adafruit. You can download it in a step file if you search perhaps tablet Raspberry Pi Adafruit, and you will be able to download it and to print. So I printed it in a 3D printed, and this is one part of it. Then there's the components inside that I want to use. So here's the 8000 milliamp battery. Here is the Power Boost 500C from Adafruit. Here is the Raspberry Pi 3. And here is the Phono 3G. To display the image, here I have the 7-inch capacitive screen from Raspberry Pi. And I want to fit all inside, so perhaps I will have to modify it to be a little higher. And also I will also have to modify this part, because as you see I didn't print it pretty well and it pulls the display a little high. So I will have to reprint this part and work into connecting the Phono 3G directly to the GPIO pins from the Raspberry Pi 3.